treasure hunt is in two sections. There is the first section where you have to find the 99 metal plaques on 99 stones next to the first of my 99 trolls. And then there's a secret code that you have to type into my map. Then section 2 will be released, which is a big riddle that's rhyming that I've written. That's a little bit cryptical, a little bit hard. It took me 9 years to make 100, right? But at some point I realized that we would come to the number 100, and then I decided on let's make a super secret one and make it like an intricate treasure hunt that leads you around to all the other ones that I've made through the years, and write a little story and make it a little bit interesting. Yeah, so this is my troll number 100. I call it for the Moon Mother. In Danish it's the Månemor. She has crawled all the way into the most secret spot in the forest because she's pregnant. And as all trolls know, it's really good to give birth deep, deep in the forest so that your young one won't just run away. I had to keep everything to myself from a really, really early point, so I didn't tell anybody from my crew where we actually were building it before a couple of months ago. And then we have a rule about that every day we have to go out of the forest in a new direction, so we don't create any muddy path that people could backtrack and then find the sculpture. Here on Blackberry Mountain, I made one of my big recycled wooden trolls. It was by far one of the most beautiful and hard places I've ever worked, because we had to haul all the materials and all the tools 20 minutes up the mountainside and stand on these big rock boulders and build a 20 feet tall wooden troll out in the elements. I hope that my art can be a part of the movement that shows people that trash is not disgusting and it's not worthless and it's not something you should just burn. It's something that you should cherish and something that you should value, and something that has the value to bring thousands of people out to find it as a treasure at the end of a treasure hunt.